Hi guys, good afternoon. We're here in the 19th floor of the 42-story condominium building. And I'm here to share with you how we organize utilities in the hallway to make it or to attain much more higher ceiling height. Right now, as we can see here, we have a floor-to-floor height of 3.2, finished floor to finished floor. Now, I want to share with you right now how we organize all the utilities. In this right side, you can see here the electrical cable tray. Then in the middle is the Power Pro pipe. Then in the left side is the water line. This one is the PPR and the other one above is the exhaust pipe, the PVC one. Now, we put everything in place. On the right side is the electrical. In the middle is the Power Pro. Of course, we want the sprinkler head to be in the middle of the hallway, and also on the left side is the water line. So in the middle, you can see much more freedom or much more higher ceiling height, as you can see here in the mock-up layout. So this is how we do it. We provide mock-up, and we provide ceiling frames just to check and to see how everything is organized to attain much more higher ceiling height. Now let me throw you in the hallway. This one is the ceiling frames, the mock-up ceiling frames. This one is one of the studio unit. You can see here. In the left side is the electrical cable tray. Then on the right side is the PPR. So this is how we organize utilities in the hallway to attain a much more higher ceiling height. You can see here. So these are the ceiling height. You can see. Okay, so you can do it also. You can just apply it in your project and organize how to attain much more higher ceiling height. Thank you very much, and I hope it helps with you in your project or your future project to arrange all the utilities in the hallway to make it to attain much more higher ceiling height. Thank you very much, and God bless.